I guess I'm essential because I care so much. I care about what product that I'm seeing in the field these days. So if I can provide a little bit of help with the fundamentals, then that's why I care. What I love most about Tidewater Tech is we're always in a learning atmosphere. We are the actual instructor for a specific student. I love my job because I think that I can make a difference. If I can do it, anyone can do it. That's probably not good. Hi, my name is Kenneth Hudgins, and I am an HVAC instructor at Tidewater Tech.